Hello friends, today I welcome to all of you in my new video where I will discuss about merinosettlement.com. Guys, watch this video till the end to know about all the details about this website. So basically after scrolling down we can see what is mentioned here. This website basically deals with case settlements. If you have purchased any Coach outlet merchandise which is offered at a discount from a MFSRP between December 23, 2011 and August 24, 2020, you may be eligible to receive a payment as a compensation from a class settlement action. So what you need to do for this? Guys, you have to submit a claim, that is by which you become a member here. This is the claim form which you need to submit through online mode only. Now, if you want to know more details, let's go into the contact us section, where if you have any query regarding any matter or you want to know further details about their procedure, you can directly contact them to their registered mail ID or phone number. Guys, before moving further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now, let's talk about further details regarding this website. So, let's talk about the important documents which you need to be submitted. Here it is. You have to submit long form notice, claim form, settlement agreement and many more. You can check from the official website. Besides this, guys, if you have received any notice with link merinosettlement.com, then possibly the court have decided you to could be a part of class action lawsuit. So don't be afraid of the notice. And if you have any query more, then let's check the FAQs section where lots of questions are available. So why it is regarded as a class action? It is basically regarded as a class action because a lot of people has suffered due to this course, which has been regarded as a fraud, and one person will represent you before the court. That's why it is regarded as a class action. Most of the viewers have asked me that when will they receive the payment. So guys, it is expected that it will be settled at the next year, that is 2021. According to various sources, we get to know about it. Besides this, how much money will you receive? So it is not yet clear, but still here is an detail which if you read you will get to know. For tier 1 claimants, it is estimated to be $5 and voucher $20. For tier 2 claimants, it is estimated that cash payment will be $10 and voucher will be $40. And more details are provided below, you can check it. Besides this, if you want to get out of the settlement membership, then there is also a procedure which you need to follow. Like, you have what's happening? Like, if you want to get out of the settlement, here is the procedure mentioned where you need to submit a written form to their official mail ID for getting out of the membership. Further, if you want to know more details, then you can directly contact with them. There is no other option. And that's all guys, this much we get to know right now about this website. Hopefully all of you like this, and I request all you to like our video If you have any comment, please mention it in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you guys.